We got a square A, B, C, D of side measuring 8 centimeter and an equilateral triangle CDE again of side measuring 8 centimeter. The question that we want to answer is find the area of the shaded region or find the area of region ABED. The shaded region appears a bit complicated. However, we know that area of square is side square, and we also know the formula for area of triangle. It is an equilateral triangle, and we know the formula. So what we will do is we will find the area of the unshaded region and subtract it from the total area. Let us draw the triangle BCE once again. Triangle BCE. We got BC equal to 8 centimeter. It's a square. And we also got CE equal to 8 centimeter. BC measures 8 centimeter. So does CE. Further, if we look at the figure, this angle is a right angle. Angle C is equal to 60 degree because triangle DCE is an equilateral triangle. And so this total angle must be equal to 60 degree plus 90 degree, that is 150 degree. This angle equal to 150 degree. Further, we know that area of triangle is equal to product of half and base and altitude. How can we find the altitude? Let us extend BC and this angle measures just 30 degree because 180 equal to 150 plus 30. How about the altitude or perpendicular then? Perpendicular must be equal to 8 sine 30 degree. We know the base equal to 8 centimeter. So area equal to half 8 and then 8 sine 30 degree. 8 sine 30 degree. We know that sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. We can cancel 2 out and we can write this as 4 times 8 times half. Again we can cancel half as well and we obtain area equal to 16 centimeters square. That's the area of triangle. Now we need area of square and area of equilateral triangle. Now area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 square of the side. In this case side measure 8 centimeter and thus area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 8 square. That's equal to root 3 by 4 times 64. We can cancel 4 out and that's equal to 16 root 3 centimeters square. Lastly, shaded area equal to area of square, that's 64 centimeters square, plus area of equilateral triangle, that's 16 times root 3 centimeters square, minus area of unshaded region, and area of unshaded region is 16 centimeters square. That's equal to 48 plus 16 root 3 square centimeter.